Hey there, Alisado with Simple Option Strategies. I have finally put together this course, SPX Credit Spreads Trade Course, and very excited about it and very excited to teach you how to generate consistent monthly returns. So let's get right into it. I want to give you a review of what we're actually going to be covering. So the first thing is trader psychology and its effects. This is something that every trader struggles with. You have to learn how to master fear, greed, and remorse. Okay, and there's different techniques that you use that will prevent you from having the emotions control you, and the goal here is for you to control the emotions. So I have techniques to get you there, and very, very important, and that's why I put it as the first one. Okay, the next is introduction to options, option characteristics, common option spreads. If you're not too familiar with options, I give you a nice precursor to option strategies and the characteristics of options. I also provide additional course material so that you can learn the specifics of options and how to trade them in our strategies. Next is technical analysis, and we go through common chart patterns and technical indicators. I'm not going to throw a whole huge amount of indicators at you. I really use a finite number and use them in a specific way, and I'm going to show you how to use those. And that way it keeps things simple and not complicated, and it gives you confidence in your trading to look and view your charts in the way that you should be viewing them and not get gobbled up in all these different indicators. And then we're going to talk about your trade plan. Now, keep in mind that I provide specific trade plans for each of the three strategies that I cover. But what's important is that you take those and you make them your own. Okay, and so I teach you how to go through a testing process of any strategy, and it's very simple, concise, basically 7 steps to get you to a solid trade plan that you can use as your own. Okay, and again, I provide the 3 that I use, but what's important is that you make them your own. Okay, and then we go into each of the specific strategies. I have an overview of risk management, and then we dive deep into each of the 3 strategies that I use, which is 0 DTE, 7 DTE, and monthlies. We all use the same index to keep things simple again. And once you learn these are high probability trades that will get you to the place of trading successfully and trading consistently month after month after month. And then in the end, we bring it all together. And I'm going to reiterate the things that are very, very important that you use. I can assure you that if you take on these strategies, if you learn them, you can be a consistent trader and earn income month after month. All right. Thank you very much, and hope to see you in the course.